Coba.
Sesayang apa sama Karin? Maksudnya apa? Ya, ayo dijelasin.
How much you love me?
Very much.
Yeah.
Ya, sesayang Karin.
Nah, just answer it in English. How much you love me?
Very much. You know that. Kenapa first questionnya intense banget ya, kayak deep banget. Apa yang paling disukai dari personality Karin yang membuat lo jatuh cinta sama Karin?
Did you understand the question?
Ya tau. What are the aspects that makes me love you? Your kindness. Kadang-kadang ya.
Hey!
Yeah. Terus her passion sama
Passionate.
yeah, and then how much we bond
Okay.
together.
How much you bond?
If I put it on a scale to 10, 10 to 10, 10 out of 10.
Bukan 11/100.
Enggak, 11. Bisa ganteng gitu makan apa?
Out of any questions that
Makan apa ya?
That you pick this, oh, you think you're ganteng? Huh?
Ya. Enggak. Makan apa ya? Makan 5 hari sehari. Betul kan?
5 hari sekali.
5 kali sehari.
Banyak banget lu makan.
Ya iya, because of you
Yeah.
selalu order.
No.
Makan apa ya? Minum kopi setiap pagi, sama mandi setiap pagi. Kalau
Ceritanya makan tuh.
ya, ya terus minum air di mandi. Gitu. Nonsense ya. Abi gak lancar ngomong Indonesia ya. Coba dijawabin. Lancar nggak bro? Gue orang Jawa sih.
Enggak, you keep saying that now.
Iya.
You can only speak like iso.
Ya lancar.
Orang bahasa Jawa, iso bahasa Jawa.
Rotara iso. Kayak iso.
Hah?
Neng
Neng dia apa? Neng dia apa?
Mana?
Di mana?
Di mana? Ya, ayo answer. Abi lancar nggak?
I'm tipe-tipe.
Antu pecipu.
Yeah.
Kenapa?
Yeah.
Ya udah, antu pecipu.
Yeah.
Buku.
No, I'm tipe-tipe.
Antu pecipu. Oke.
Jawab coba.
Ya, first date di Jakarta. Iya.
No. You consider that as a date? No, it's habu. Actually.
Double date.
Habu.
The first time we went to Habo.
Yeah.
Ya sih. I mean, kita nggak makan juga sih, cuman sisa.
Yeah, it's a no.
So does it count?
Yeah, it counts.
Counts it. Okay, first time di Habo sama
And espresso martini.
ya sama espresso martini of course with Vuva. Welcome to Habo. Kenal di mana sama Kak Karin dan gimana first impressionnya? Pertama kali di Damaria, Bali. Habis campaign sama Prabowo. Ya, karena di situ ngajakin shots, of course, because it's Karin. First impressionnya.
Okay, what was your first impression?
Very welcoming, warm welcome. Nggak kayak orang sombong gitu.
No.
Nice, open up, and drunk juga. Because it's Karin. Kalau Karin ngedown, what you gonna do? What am I gonna do? Yeah, she has her bipolar disorder, and it already happened. What I do? Give you obat lah. And then after that, you sleep, and then I comfort you anytime you need it. Gitu. Compromise.
Was it hard for you?
Okay lah, for the first time, okay. Because I was expecting it and I was ready for it. It's fine. Gitu. What makes you so sure Karin is the right one? I mean, marriage is a big decision. So, okay. Well, one thing you need to take in relationship, what's important is to understand both of you guys. Being able to communicate, compromise, understand communication, that's very important. And I feel like so far we've been doing very great. We share like the same passion, we bond a lot, so we can spend good time together, and I feel like I will never get bored with her anytime soon.
Anytime soon? So later?
Not now, so for now, no. Pito. No, what I mean is
Habis.
so yeah, like I was saying earlier, we match a lot. I will never get bored of her. That's my feeling.
That's correct.
I mean, we're both alcoholics.
What?
I love that.
Not during Ramadan ya.
Yeah, betul. And then, I think that's like the most important thing that you need to look up before being in a serious relationship. Gitu. Tolong dimatiin. Males nih. Ayo, pencet. Udah, jadi kita ditunggu ya. So, how was your day, bro? Ayo, ini beneran males cu. Ayo. Yeah, you see guys, communication is totally good with us. You know? We understand. All good. What was the best year of your life so far? I had a lot of good years. Luckily, I'm most of the time happy in my life on what I do. But I would say one of the moments that marked me in my life is when I stopped school, because I hate school. I hate being taught by other people. I don't like the school system. I'm not into that.
But you graduated.
Yeah, I finished. I graded, of course. That was an achievement for me when I was 18, and I could pursue my passion on full time without doing something on the side that you don't really like, which was school. Gitu. Ayo pencet dong, Mas. Ayo. Hey.
Sorry,
Gitu.
You understand the question?
Kalau dari fisik Karin, bagian mana yang paling lu suka? Kalau gue ya,
Yeah.
semua sih, like from the top, so the hair,
From the top.
face, her beautiful tattoo, anak nakal lu, preman, until the toes.
It's my toes?
Yeah,
So yeah, you have toes kink?
no,
No.
it's just my perspective. So yeah, from top to bottom, her eyes, her cheeks, yeah, everything. If not, I would not love her.
Yang paling, so it's like, what's the most?
The most her face, definitely, because that's what you look into when you talk to someone, and specifically the eyes, because you make eye contact. Gitu dong.
This eyes.
Yeah.
You understand the question?
Coba perhatiin pas nembak Karin jadi pacar. WK. Apa?
when you asked me to be your girlfriend, so do it again. Redo it.
Ih, malu nggak mau. This is intimate. This is the stuff that we keep private. So no, I won't share it.
Oh, you want?
No, because I want to keep it private. Those are intimate stuff that's like you guys won't see.
But you can pay on my subscribers.
No, on my subscribers, so you can click the link below. Enggak, itu nggak akan rilis saya. Habis lalu pakai kacamata itu minus atau emang untuk style aja? Ya emang untuk style aja sih. Ya, I'm minus 4.
For two. 4.2, right?
Ya. Kalau ini minus 4, tapi sebenarnya itu pot
Anjing, 8.
minus.
Jadi kita bisa
4,2.
kita bisa tukeran kacamata, guys.
Iya, itu
basically.
enak.
Like my glasses is like 4.5. Poof.
And then sometimes I put soft lens. I don't have cylinder gitu. You look nice, bro.
Coba read the.
Gak bisa baca nih kacamata. Alright. T'es français? Ouais, je suis français. I'm French. Je suis né en Indonésie, Jakarta, et je sais parler français parce que j'étais au lycée français de Jakarta à TPT. Donc voilà. Et ouais, je suis français, mon père est français. Donc ouais, t'as un problème ou quoi? Ayo, cut.
Oh, oui.
Ouais, ya. Abi, kapan aja Karin ketemu orang tua Abi? Kapan aja minggu lalu? Kapan ajak? Ya udah ajak sih. Kapan ya, minggu lalu?
How was it?
It was good. Went smooth. Approved by my parents.
Oh.
So there you go. She's fucking crazy, man. Cannot, nggak bisa.
I get jealous easily.
Siapa yang paling cemburuan? Jealous atau posesif?
Jealous.
Kayaknya both of us. It's 50-50. But if you want to be jealous or something, you can, silakan. Tapi you need to have your reasons. Reasonsnya harus valid juga. On both sides.
I'm not getting any jealous.
Hah?
With you towards anyone. I do.
Abi coba bilang I love you ke Karin.
Bling.
Oh sorry. Bilangin I love you.
Bilang.
I love you Karin. Not.
I love you too.
Itu.
Just them.
Apa buku?
Moshe.
Ah yeah, good. You learned that fast. Yeah, she learns French. Good. Alhamdulillah.
Tolong ya, gue udah dapet.
Double.
Nggak, maunya travelnya yang double. Waduh, makan mulu nih gue juga.
Ini double.
Anjir, how are we gonna like?
Happy birthday broski. Jadi hari ulang tahun dia hari ini, dia sekaligus merayakannya dengan membagi-bagi makanan buka puasa bareng. Jadi ada cendol, ada nasi, minuman gitu.
Bisa keluar.
Amin.
Semoga ada jarinya di sini, tulang di sini.
Amin.
Terus saya mau ke Amerika.
Amin.
Udah buka puasa karena perutku pusing.
Ya udah nggak apa-apa, besok lagi.